boys and girls. My name is Judy, and this morning I have something really exciting to do with you today. I'm going to do two activities. The first one is called baking soda fizzy trays, and the second one is called milk rainbows. So let's get started. You're going to need, for your baking soda fizzy trays, some vinegar, some food coloring, some baking soda, something to mix the food coloring in, some kind of dropper, maybe it's a little spoon, or maybe it's a dropper like I have, and somebody else to help you get this all ready, like a mommy or daddy or somebody that you live with. So the first thing that I'm going to do, so that you can see my tray really, really well, is I need to put baking soda all over my tray, just like this. I think I want lots because I want it to be really fizzy. Oh! Too high in some spots, so I'm going to smooth it out. There I go. I can't wait to see what this fizzy tray baking soda art looks like. I think I'm going to make lots and lots and lots of pictures on my tray. There we go. Ooh, that looks pretty good. What do you think? Okay, so now I need to make some colors. So I brought these little containers to make my colors with. And I'm going to fill it up with vinegar. And again, you need mommy or daddy or a grown-up that you live with to help you. So I think I'll make 3 different colors. Can you help me count? Whoa, I need to make it nice and high. 1, 2, and 3. Uh-oh, one of these is too tall. This one is so tall, so I'm going to pour it into this one. Kind of make it the same size. Let's see if that looks about the same. Oh, it does look about the same. Good job. Okay, so the color that I'm going to use is purple. And again, you need mommy or daddy or somebody that you live with to help you with this, because if food coloring gets all over, it can make a big mess. So I want it to be nice and colorful, so I'm going to pour it right in. Ooh, that's very colorful. And the next color I'm going to use is blue. Let's see how that one looks. I think I'll pour this one on the outside so you can really see the difference. Ooh, here's the blue. And then the color that we're going to use for the middle is yellow. Okay. Let's see how that goes. See if it looks different. Ooh, looks very yellow. Okay, so the reason that we use the baking soda is because the baking soda is on the tray and it needs to be there so that when we put the vinegar on top, it goes fizzy. So I'm going to take my dropper and I'm going to put it in the purple one first. I'm going to squeeze it tight, put it in. Let's see what happens. Oh, can you see it fizzing? It's really fizzing. What color should I use now? Let me try the blue. You might need a separate kind of dropper for this if you have 3. I only had 1 today. Oh, look at it fizzing. Let's try the yellow. Squeeze it. We get lots and lots of yellow. I'll put it right in the middle. There, can you see it fizzing? Wow. Oh, now I've only got 3 spots with food coloring on it, so now I think I'm going to use the purple again. Squeeze, let go, and I'm going to make kind of like some dots all over, because I want this to look like beautiful art. And how about if I try some blue now? Let's try some blue. Squeeze, let go, lift it up. Oh, I'm going to make a nice long line. Ooh, ho, 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 ho. Oh, it went into the yellow. Oh, can you see what's happening? That part of the yellow looks green. Wonder why it looks green. I wonder if yellow and blue make green when they go together. Let me try this, okay. Oh no, I accidentally squirted some blue inside. And look at, it's kind of going like greenish yellow. Wow. See what's happening here? Oh my, It's turning green. What if I put a bit more blue in there? Let's try that. Oh, gonna push this in. Let's see what color it turns. It did turn green. Now we had 4 colors. I've got yellow, and I've got purple, and I've got blue, and now I'm gonna put some green on there. Okay. 1, 2, 3. It's going a little bit too yellow. How about we put a bit more blue in there? It's fun to experiment and try all these different things and see what kind of solutions we can make. That's a big word. When we have some kind of liquid like the vinegar and the food coloring, and we mix it together, it's called a solution. Oh, that one's turning more green. Wow. That is really, really beautiful. Now I'm going to do one more thing. I'm going to try 1 big spoonful and see what happens when I do that, if it really, really fizzes. Okay. Ready? Wow, look at that fizzing. It's really, really fizzing on there. Now I could be working at this for a really long time, and that's what I'd like you to try to do. Just spend a long time and make some kind of beautiful tray full of all kinds of colors and see how pretty it can be. And you know what? When it's done, you can ask Mommy to help you wash it down the sink, and it actually cleans your sink for you, which is another good thing. Okay, boys and girls, I'm going to get the milk rainbows ready. We're going to try something else now. Okay, see you in a few minutes. Okay, boys and girls, we're back. And so to make the milk rainbows today, I've got milk, and I've got different kinds of food coloring, and I also need to have some soap. And for some reason, lemon soap seems to work the best. So let's see how it goes. I need some kind of tray or a plate, but it needs to be kind of thin, not a really deep bowl, because we need to let the soap come to the bottom. I'm going to pour some milk on here. Oh, there it goes. Now I have 1% milk today, and I've never used 1%, but that's part of experimenting, is to see what things work best. And so I'm going to take my dropper, and this time I don't have any vinegar in my food coloring, I just have food coloring. And this color, ooh, it's red. Red there. And it doesn't seem to be moving very much. What color is this going to be? Oh, this looks like it's blue. Oh, blue's going to go over here, and I do it on the outside. And this one is purple. Oh, no, it's green. I'm wrong. Let's try the green right there. See how pretty that's looking? Okay. I wonder what color this is. I wonder if it's orange. It's kind of orange. And then the last color that I'm going to use is yellow. I'm going to put it way over here. Okay, so I've used all the food coloring. Now we kind of really need to be able to see this closely. I'm going to move it a little tiny bit. Watch what happens. You ready? When I drop some soap right in the middle. It's going to go quick. Ooh, watch it. Watch it. It's going to start to make, oh, look what's happening. Can you see it? I can't tilt it, because if I do, then it'll change how the rainbow's going to be made. But can you see the colors starting to swirl together? Wow, they're moving all on their own, and I'm not moving it. I still see the blue and the green and the orange and the yellow and the red. Something seems to be happening. They seem to be mixing, and I'm not even touching it. Let me try another little drop and see what happens. I can't put too much in, just a little bit. I'll put more on this side. Oh, it's really starting to move now. Can you see it? Looks like it's starting to swirl and go around the outside. That's a big name, isn't it? Swirl. Wow, and all my colors have joined together. Really beautiful. I know that if I sat here for a few minutes, it would continue to go and swirl and make all kinds of patterns. But I think what I'm going to do, just to speed it up a tiny little bit, I'm going to just stir my soap a little tiny bit in the middle with my, see what happens, see if it makes a difference. Oh, wow. It's really starting to swirl. The green's coming in the middle, And the red is coming in the middle too. All the colors are joining together. It's making a rainbow. Wow. Okay, I'm going to leave this now and I'm going to say goodbye, but you know what? I'm going to sit and watch my milk rainbows for her because I know they're going to be beautiful. And when you do it, take your time and look at them too, okay? Really, really pretty to watch. Okay, boys and girls, I'll see you next time. Bye-bye. Red and yellow and pink and green, purple and orange and blue. I can make a rainbow, make a rainbow, make a rainbow too.